Hi guys, as promised, here is the video where I'm gonna use VMware and GNS3. I'll be explaining how we can integrate our GNS3 and GNS3 devices like a router with the virtual machine. So for this, we need for this I'm gonna use Windows 2003. It could be any server, it doesn't matter. And For the GNS3 device perspective, I'll be using 3700 series router. So let me go ahead and start the router. And Of course, we need the VMware virtual machine as well. For my reference, I'm using workstation 8 here, but you can use any VMware workstation, it doesn't matter. I have tried this with the VMware workstation 6, 7 and 8, and it works perfectly fine. So for the VMware workstation configuration perspective, what we need is we need one network which can be dedicatedly used for the communication between your virtual machine and GNS3 device. So for that, let's go ahead and create a virtual network which we will use for this communication. Let me just go ahead and create a new network. I'm just gonna put, let's say, VMnet 9 for that. Uh, Once we have VMnet 9, we'll just go ahead and uncheck the option which says use local DHCP server. So we don't want to assign any IP addresses. We only need that virtual network should be created, and we'll be assigning IP addresses statically on each interface. So I'm gonna uncheck the DHCP option for this particular network, and I'm gonna leave everything to the default. So okay, once while it's configuring that, let me go ahead and see if my router is up. Yes, it is. So let me log in and see. So currently there are no interfaces configured. I only have two interfaces in this router. So for this, just for the demonstration perspective, in GNS3, what we require is a cloud which will provide us connectivity to the outside of GNS3 environment. So first of all, let me go ahead and configure that. Uh, I need one cloud, so I'll select this one, and I need a switch which should be connecting me to this cloud. Ideally, you can directly connect your device to the cloud as well, but just to be on the safer side, in case I need more devices to be connected from the virtual environment, I am using this switch so that I can have multi-point connectivity to outside of GNS3 environment. And let's go ahead and connect these guys. So on the switch, I have fast Ethernet here, and it is connected. Just if you want to see what links are connected, so on the router it's fast 00, and on the switch side I have port number 1. uh, on the cloud side, let's check. Make a double click on it, click on the C1, and here it is not showing any gigabit adapter option. So for that, what we'll have to do is just a few minutes back, I went ahead and created that network. Let us see if that network is created. Yes, it is created, but we are not seeing these interfaces in our GNS3. So for this, what require is once you add any network in the VMware environment, you have to reload your device. So I'm gonna put this video on pause, and I'll be back after reloading the device. Okay, guys, we are back. Let me open my GNS3 and show you if we have those links which were not showing under the cloud earlier. So yes, we have all those links. What we wanted to select was VMnet 9. So here you can see it says network adapter VMnet 9. So we'll select this, click on add, and click OK. And now let me go ahead and connect my cloud to the router's fast Ethernet 00. So currently we are connected. Let me turn on my router, go back to my virtual machine, and make sure this virtual machine is the part of the network VMnet 9. So currently it's member of VMnet 2. Let's change it to VMnet 9. Okay, and let's see what IP address do we have on this. The IP address is 172.16.1.11. So let me go ahead and set 192.168.172.16.1.1 on my router, so that we'll be able to ping that system. And before I proceed, let me just again show you that there are no IP addresses configured on router interface. Typo. Okay, so no IP addresses. So 192.168.1.1 and our system's IP address is 172.16.1.1. So let's see if we are able to ping. Getting replies back, and if we are able to ping from here. Yes, so this is how you can configure communication between virtual machine and the virtual router on VMware Workstation and on GNS3. Thank you guys.